back to the channel again. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe. If you're returning, welcome back. So today's video is going to be really short, sweet, and to the point. Eric, or Grand Tour F30s, you might know him as, hit me up and said that his headlight bulb went out. So he has to put one of his old headlight bulbs in until his new headlight bulbs come in the mail. So I figured what better time than to show you guys how to install a BMW F30 headlight bulb. But let's go ahead and jump in the car. We'll get started on this drive. Alright guys, so before we do the headlight install, we're running over to EuroMpire to go say hey for a little bit. Jeez! Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and start it here. I've got Eric, he's already getting the wheel off for me, but we're going to go into detail and show you guys all the things that you have to actually get into and the pieces that you remove to actually get down to the headlight bulb so we can work on replacing them. Looks like he's got the wheel off now, so we'll go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so the best way to get to the headlights is to of course take the wheel off first. But there's a little door under here, and then basically everything is right behind that door. So I'm going to set the camera up so you guys can kind of watch me take everything apart. Alright, so here's the door. The first thing that we're going to do is take this cover off. It's just two little clips right here. Comes out pretty simply, and then you just pull up on it and it comes completely out. So this is where the actual headlight bulbs are. So this is just another cover. You just turn it, pops right off. Now we've got our bulb right here, and to get it out of this housing so we can actually get it out and replace it, you're going to pull first. This is the actual power for it. So you pull this clip down and off. You just sit that right there. And then for this housing, I'm actually going to show you once we get it out, but you're going to take this top piece, which is the two little prongs that go straight up, and they're just held in by a hook. So you're basically going to push them in, push them to the left, and then out. See if I can do this without looking at it. Yep, so I just pushed it down and out to the left, and it just slides down like that. Once you do that, you just simply pull out your bulb. Now keep in mind, you do not want to touch this bulb. Make sure you hold it by the metal down below. You do not want to touch that bulb with your fingers. So you grab your new bulb and you replace it. All right, now that we've got our new bulb here, we're going to put it in basically the reverse order. So we're going to take the bulb very carefully. We're going to stick it back in there, get it firm in place. Okay. We're going to take the housing that holds it. We're going to push that back up, and since we had to push it in and to the left, now we're going to push it to the left, in, and to the right. I may need to be able to see this in order to do it. Keep in mind I'm doing this blind here. Alright, so once you have the bracket back on there, all we're going to do is just plug back in the harness here. Push it straight up. Alright, and good to go. And I'll show you guys what the inside actually looks like. Alright guys, so this is the bracket that I was talking about. If you see up top there, there's two little hooks, and then there's that double wire. And all we did was we pushed it to the left, back behind the hook, and then right, and then it pulls backwards, and that tension is what actually holds that wire in, and then there's of course the harness that you plug in. Alright guys, so I just got home, but that shows you how super simple and easy it is to swap out the xenon bulbs in the F30. So if you guys are looking for some upgraded bulbs, I will leave those linked down below. Other than that, if you guys enjoyed the video, please go ahead and show me some support for the channel. Throw me a like on the video down below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking away. And as usual, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.